Hi guys, so today we're gonna do coronavirus and soap experiment. We need pepper as virus, liquid, soap and water. First, we put water onto the plate. Then scatter peppers on the water. Put a little liquid soap on a cotton swab. Touch the water surface with the cotton swab. The soap will clear all coronavirus.